Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashanic Hair Studio. Today we are divided into haircuts, designs, ideas. These haircuts are very beautiful and bold. The short pixie bob haircuts and the head shapes are these two beautiful and bold haircuts about which I will discuss in this video. If you are looking for a new hairstyles and hair trends, then watch this video till the end. You will get a different and latest haircuts, designs ideas which are trending in this year. Dear viewers, from my video you will get different haircuts and hairstyles and you can choose it freely and make your look so beautiful and impressive. Short pixie bob haircuts are very classic and versatile haircuts and sassy haircuts and make their look so beautiful and amazing. And the ladies who looking for beautiful and stylish haircuts, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for those ladies who loves to styles their hair like trendy. The short pixie haircuts and ball haircuts are above the ear and one side's haircuts and cheek length haircuts and head shapes are also in trending in 2024. So must try these haircuts according to your face shape and according to your age and make your look beautiful. So viewers, also share this video with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. And viewers, you will see different models and celebrities cutting their hair and make you look beautiful. So goodbye viewers. Till the next video and see you soon again with another video and another collections of short pixie bob haircuts and head shapes.